I'm finally making an update video for my Del Sol. But first, for the people that are new, let me give you a little bit of history on this car.
Jacob, get off the Wi-Fi. I'm trying to play War Thunder.
This car has been in paint for almost 2 years. It was gutted out completely. Once I got it back, I took it home. They did a horrible job painting it, got in a nice little tent, got it nice and cozy. And inside the tent is where I did all the work. Like these photos show you, put the engine back in, put radiator, put everything back in with my buddy Sam right there. Great guy, helped me through a lot of the phases of this car. But long story short, a huge storm came through, fucked up the tent, ended up scratching up the paint like crazy, so now we're here. I tried to use some color match from BMW for the color that I have, which is Dravik Gray Metallic, I believe. But the painter that painted my car didn't even use the correct color code, so. Mind you, all this commentary is post. I recorded first. Oh yeah, that slave cylinder is rusty as hell. I need to replace that. But the main goal for the day was to button up some of the stuff on the firewall, like the brake master cylinder and the clutch master cylinder. Yeah, throw a rag in there. Yeah, don't want anything going in there. But those two were in hard to reach places under my steering wheel. As you can see here, all loose, nothing's buttoned up. That's one thing we need to get buttoned up before we can start the car and start rolling it. The interior really hasn't changed much. I have just sound deadening stuff everywhere. I have body panels everywhere. It just needs to be cleaned out. So you can see those studs sticking out through the firewall. Those all need nuts on them. And it's in such an awkward position, man. But let's get into it. As you can probably hear me, I'm fucking struggling. Shit sucks. I'm like laying across my floorboard in a 2-seater car, trying to fucking get to that thing. It's horrible. Now it's just time to hit it with some Ooga Doogas. So I'm not even gonna lie to you, I struggled for like 2 hours getting all these on, but I'm not gonna show it to you because I was swearing. But we ended up getting them all on the firewall, which is awesome, because that's just one step closer. But now it's, what else do we have to do to this car? Everything. So for the next episode, I need to work on this motor mount. I need to drill it out a little bit. The transmission mount is on, but the motor mount on the other side, not so much. The holes don't line up, I need to drill it out, that kind of stuff. No biggie though. But if you guys enjoy little car content, snippets between the War Thunder content, I'm more than happy to make it. I'm looking to get a gimbal and some other filming stuff so it's a little easier, but thanks guys for watching. Expect a new episode soon. I'll see you guys on the next one.